I'm William Moore. My law partners James Wyke, William Dorenzo, and I have been practicing criminal law in Broward County since the mid-1990s. We were prosecutors then, each focusing on specific areas of criminal prosecution. It's been over a decade now, and we've been defending people charged with crimes prosecuted by the same office that we used to work for, the same office that we learned inside and out. Just as it was then, each of us still focus on crime types individually, specific crime types. We are a 100% criminal defense firm and do not accept any other types of cases, civil or otherwise. Each of us report regularly on changes in the law and current trends in the field of criminal justice. I alone have lectured on hundreds of criminal defense topics, many of which are available for review. If you've gotten yourself into trouble, come and talk to us.